Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn grammar, degree of comparison. Now, children, in your previous lesson, My Little Ted poem, we have not completed the grammar junction just because we had to complete the degree of comparison in the grammar book. So, I have taken both the chapters together. So, you have to understand this and then write the grammar junction as homework in your reader book. Okay, children? So, children, before I start with this topic, we are going to first recall the adjective lesson which we have already studied in the lower class. What is adjective, children? What it tells you? Word that describes a noun or a pronoun in a sentence is called a adjective. Now, for example, he is a good boy. Good is what? The adjective. What it describes? The boy. Look at that green parrot. Green parrot. Parrot is described as which color? Green. Okay. So these are the adjective. Adjectives can be in number also. I have 2 pencils. So 2 is your adjective. Okay. It can be color. It can be number. It can be shape. Like fat. She's a fat girl. So it can be a shape, it can be a size, okay, and it can be a taste. These are salty chips. So salty is described for the chips. It tells the taste of that chips. So it is the adjectives. Now children, open to your grammar textbook, page number 22. Open to page number 20. The Hulk is very powerful. Hulk is a boat. In this, how the boat is described, how the Hulk is described as powerful. You have to underline powerful. My grandmother gave me a red dress. What color dress did my grandmother give me? Red. Okay. Let us buy a big cake for Sheetal's birthday. What cake I'm going to buy for Sheetal's birthday? Big cake. So big is the adjective. Now you have 2 more exercise that I leave up to you. You can write as homework. So children, now we start with the degree of comparison. An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. It is called the degree of comparison of an adjective. Comparison means we compare with the others. There are 3 degrees of comparison: the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. An adjective in its base form is said to be in the positive degree. For example, great, small. The positive degree is used to refer one object, person, or place without making any comparison. Look at the example. She has a big house. The comparative degree refers to the greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree. Now here you compare with two objects, people or places. Look at the example. We have 2 houses. Her house is bigger than my house. So when you take comparative, you should add ER. The superlative degree refers to the greatest degree of the adjective. When there are more, you have to, when it is used to compare more than 2 objects, people or places. Now look at this example. There are many houses. His house is the biggest of all. So in superlative, you have to add EST. Okay. Now let us follow the rule. We add ER and EST to most 1 or 2 syllable words that ends in consonant. Look at the example: dull, duller, dullest. In comparative, we add ER. In superlative, we add EST. When the positive ends in E, we add only R and ST to the adjective. Now look at the example, large. You can see E. So in comparative we write larger, only R, and superlative largest, ST. When the positive ends in consonant plus Y, we drop the Y and add IER and IEST. When it is ending with Y, look at this example, lucky. Okay, the Y letter is ending. So when you write in comparative, you have to write IER, luckier, superlative IEST, luckiest. When the positive is a word of one syllable that ends in vowel plus consonant, we double the ending consonant and then add ER and EST. So when vowel and consonant like I and T, so double T will come. Now look at this example, red. You can see one vowel and consonant. So you have to write double D. Okay, redder, then reddest. Okay. When the positive is long, that is a word of two or more syllables, we add more and most before the adjective to form a comparative and superlative degree. Means two syllable, useful, use and full. So at the place what we write, like beautiful, useful, we write more useful in comparative, and superlative we write most useful. Okay. There are some adjectives that do not form the comparatives and superlative form. They are positives. They have irregular degree of comparison. Irregular, which doesn't follow the rule. It will be different. Now for example, good. What we write in comparative? Better and best. Okay. So these are irregular degree of comparison. We use than with the comparative degree. We use the with the superlative degree. When we compare with two people, we use shorter than. Mohan is shorter than Ricky. Okay, we write after the adjective. Falguni is the shortest girl in her class. So when we add superlative, we write the before it. Change the adjectives given below to their comparative and superlative form. Now children, you can see there are three things: high, higher, highest; large, larger, largest; short, shorter, shortest; wide, wider, widest; funny, funnier, funniest; easy, easier, easiest; dim, dimmer, dimmest. Okay. So children, this exercise is given in page number 23. You have to write down in your grammar reader book. Okay. Children, you just open to page number 24. Read the clues and complete the crossword puzzle given below. That you have to do it. They have mentioned the superlative and the comparative. You have to see the adjective and change into comparative and superlative. Okay. So they have given one side across and one side down. Across means horizontal and down means vertical. So in that form you have to write. Okay. Children, open to the page number 24. Choose words from the box given below and complete the sentences with the correct form of the adjectives. One is done for you. Now in the box you have seen some adjectives given. Now they have said first one is done. Let us find out what we have to do. The red dress is cheaper than the black one. Now in the box you can see the word cheap is given. So here the sentence says that the red dress and the black dress. They have given two dresses, but they have mentioned the red dress is cheaper than the black one. Okay. So red is little less price. The black one is little more price. So we are comparing. So there we write comparative degree. Okay. We write cheap. In comparative we write cheaper. Come to the next sentence. This is a dash painting. Now here we don't have any comparison with any of the objects, any other thing. So this sentence is positive. Okay, positive degree. So here we write this is a costly painting. Okay, we write as it is. Come to the third one. I am the dash girl in my class. So comparing with more than two people. So this sentence comes in superlative degree. Okay, I am the tallest girl in my class. In the box they have given tall, but when you write in the answer you have to write tallest. Okay, next one. Homemade food is dash then fast food. So children, when you see the sentence, always you should understand when that then is given, what you should think that the sentence is comparative. Okay, homemade food always what we say children, healthy, isn't it? So homemade food is healthier than fast food. So what you should take out, y, and you should add IER, healthier. Okay, HEALTHIER, healthier than fast food. Come to the next page, page number 25. Maitri is dash then most children in her class. Now again than word is given. What you have to do children, the sentence is comparative. So Maitri is stronger. Okay, Maitri is stronger than most children in her class. The next one, the cheetah is the, now the is given, so you should understand when we write the, when it is superlative, so it will be fastest animal in the world. Sunny is very dash boy. Now here there is no comparison, so this sentence is positive degree. We write as it is naughty. Okay, Sunny is very naughty boy. This story is dash then the other, then the one you told me yesterday. This story is funnier than the one you told me yesterday. Okay. Okay children, come to the next exercise. Find the wrong form of the adjectives in the sentences given below and rewrite them correctly. One is done for you. This is the hotter day of the year. Year is given. So there are many months. So here we are comparing with more than 2 months. So hotter is wrong. What we have to write into superlative. This is the hottest day of the year. Okay. And you have to see one more thing, the word is given. So when they write the before the adjective, it means it is a superlative. Okay children, this rule you have to understand because it is very easy. When they write then, that will be after the adjective. There you have to use comparative. Okay, when they write the before the adjective, there you have to change into superlative. Now in the sentence you can see everywhere the is given. Okay, so you have to write into superlative degree of comparison. When we are comparing with more than 2, we have to take it as superlative degree. When we read and it is comparing with only 2, there you have to write comparative. Okay, come to the next one. This is the taller among all the trees in my garden. Here they have mentioned all the trees. So what it says, it's a superlative degree. So this is the tallest. Okay children, this is the tallest among all the trees in my garden. Come to the next one. He is the strong person I have ever seen. So ever seen means he has seen many people but not like him. So he is the strongest person I have ever seen. So children, this all you have to write into superlative degree. So this is your homework. Okay. The remaining exercise you have to do yourself. Now just come to page number 22. The second exercise I have not done. Read the sentences given below. Identify the degree of adjective in each sentences. Write it in the space provided. Now here only you have to write whether it's a positive or a comparative or superlative. First one, Shaheen's mother makes the sweetest jalebis. Okay, so sweetest word is given. So which sentence it is? Superlative. So you have to write the name superlative. SUPERLATIVE. Okay. So this you have to write only whether it is a positive, comparative or superlative. So here I finished the degree of comparison. The remaining you can do it, children. The question number 2 exercise, you have to read the sentence and write it down. I complete my lesson here, and in the reader book Grammar Junction, My Little Ted, in that poem there is a grammar junction with the same topic. That is your homework. I'll be sending the answer key in the next class. Okay, so you try to do yourself. I will be sending the answers in the next class. Okay, thank you.